Take a slow breath in and release with ease. Today we create space for calm and safety. You deserve to feel steady and protected. These affirmations will help you find peace within. Let's begin. I deserve to feel safe within. I am surrounded by calm energy. I am safe in my body right now. Peace lives in my breath. I allow ease to settle in me. I am protected in this moment. I choose peace over fear. I am grounded in gentle calm. I am safe to slow down today. I let comfort fill my body. I am safe in quiet moments. I trust the stillness around me. I breathe safety into my heart. I am safe to release tension. I welcome softness into my day. I am free from inner pressure. I am safe to rest deeply. I allow my mind to relax. I trust the calm inside me. I am safe where I stand. I create peace with my breath. I am held by life itself. I am safe in this moment. I welcome safety into my body. I am calm, clear, and steady. I allow quiet to comfort me. I am safe to open my heart. I rest where peace begins. I release the need to guard. I trust that I am protected. I let peace replace old fear. I am safe to let go. I honor the stillness I feel. I am held in gentle presence. I allow my energy to soften. I am safe to be at ease. I rest in the warmth of calm. I am free from constant alert. I trust the rhythm of peace. I allow love to calm my nerves. I am safe to take a pause. I am at home in my own body. I am safe to breathe slowly. I let peace move through me. I release fear from my chest. I am safe within my heart. I trust the safety of this space. I am calm in my own energy. I allow softness to guide me. I am free from inner resistance. I am safe to feel supported. I am steady in my breath. I release what keeps me tense. I am surrounded by gentle care. I am safe even in silence. I let peace anchor me now. I am protected by love and grace. I am safe to rest without worry. I trust the ground beneath me. I welcome warmth into my heart. I am safe to unclench and breathe. I allow stillness to hold me. I am calm in this quiet space. I am free from anxious thoughts. I am safe to slow my pace. I feel peace moving within me. I am safe to be fully present. I choose to stay grounded. I am held in calm awareness. I let go of my inner tension. I am safe to trust this peace. I am supported in every breath. I allow safety to stay with me. I am steady through every wave. I am calm in my inner world. I am safe to be who I am. I allow peace to deepen here. I am open to feeling safe. I am home in my body. I am safe to live with ease. I welcome peace into today. I am protected in my stillness. I am safe, calm, and whole. You deserve to feel safe and supported. Let peace fill the space around you. You are protected, calm, and free to rest.